Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission (MACC) has remanded 3 people, including a government-linked company's chief executive officer, for soliciting and accepting bribes.
The MACC has arrested 8 people, including the CEO of a highway concessionaire. 8 of them were arrested in connection with bribes involving 2 highway projects in the Klang Valley. The highways are worth 11 billion ringgit in total, but the specific contracts for sections of the projects are worth 1.6 billion ringgit. A MACC source said the CEO, who is a dato, was arrested with 2 other top officials from the company.
Today we proudly launched the RM200 million Digital School Initiative. High quality tablets will reach students in rural areas. This marks a new era in Malaysian education.
Malaysia has recognized the transformative power of technology. The nation has launched the Malaysia Digital Economy Blueprint, or My Digital. It will guide Malaysia's digital transformation journey towards 2030.
We have selected Apex Dynamics Sendian Berhad as a supplier. They offer excellent specification and rapid delivery. I want this roll out fast, no delays.
$5 million? This company doesn't even have a website. Tablet was 10 times higher than the market price. I had to dig deeper. Hello?
Don't poke around, okay? This is above your level. You could lose your job.
Okay. Bye.
Salam sejahtera, berita terkini. Sebanyak 200 juta ringgit Malaysia diberikan kepada syarikat Shell tanpa rekod yang sah. Kebanyakan tablet yang sepatutnya dihantar tidak pernah dihantar dan sebahagian besar tablet tersebut tidak berfungsi. Rakyat sedang menuntut penjelasan daripada menteri-menteri yang terbabit. Sekian berita terkini.
These are lies. I've always been transparent. This is political. Someone want to ruin my name. I'll fight this in court if I have to.
We take time matter seriously. A full audit is underway. Action will be taken.
I wasn't looking for trouble, but silence helped corruption grow. If no one speak up, nothing changed.